Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. So Tokyo Olympics is over and done. However, the athletics fever is still very high because World Under 20 Championships is currently taking place in Nairobi, Kenya. And we have quite a few athletes over there representing the black, the green, and the gold. Yeah, man. Now, Tina Clayton is currently over Nairobi, Kenya, kicking up storm. Yeah, man. She won Jamaica's first gold medal at the 2021 World Under 20 Championships. Now, and that is in the 100 meter. Now, Clayton recorded a personal best of 11.0 seconds. 11.09, that is seconds. So not only did she won a gold medal, but she recorded a PB in 11.09 seconds. Excellent. I know she's happy right now. Trust me. And she became the fourth Jamaican to win the women's 100 meter title in the history of the Under 20 Championships. That is a good look. Now we, as in we Jamaicans, retain the women Under 20 100 meter title because Brianna Williams won the title back in 2018. So congrats, Tina. So you don't know, so Tina is twin, right? Her twin sister Tia is not as fast as her, but you know, she's coming. Yeah, man. So congrats again, Tina. A lot of people, including myself, are anticipating the Steve Prefontaine Classic Diamond League race. You know, the Diamond League will start tomorrow, Friday, but it is the women's 100 meter event that a lot of people are anticipating, and that will take place on Saturday. So 3 of our athletes will be participating in that event, and Elaine Thompson, Ira, Shalane Fraser Price, and Sharika Jackson, right? They will be in the 100 meter event, the women's 100 meter event. On the schedule, I saw Brianna's name as well, but it is being advertised on television and Brianna's name is not on the list. You know, they always mention just the 3 women, and that is Sharika Jackson, Shalane Fraser Price, and Elaine Thompson Ira. So I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. The American Shakari will be in the event as well, and that is why it is so hyped up, because it's like what should have been at the Olympics if she was not suspended. You know, they found TCH in her system, that's the substance in ganja, and so she was suspended for 1 month. Anyway, her suspension ended before the women's 4x1 relay. Anyway, she withdrawn from the Olympics. Shakari is not loved by some Jamaicans. I would not say Jamaicans. I'm gonna say some Jamaicans, because she have a lot of fans here. I heard people on the street and they like her. I watched her in a Diamond League race before the Olympics, before the Jamaica trial, before the US trial as well. In the race, in a Diamond League race, and Dina Asha Smith of the UK, her parents is Jamaican, by the way. She won the race. Shakiri came in second, and Shalane Fraser Price came in fourth. Right, so I saw them, Shalane Fraser Price and Shakari together. I am just curious to see Sharika Jackson and Elaine Thompson Ira, how that will work out. Now, after Shakari, came in second, and Shelly-Ann came in fourth. Shelly-Ann ran in an event in Jamaica, and she ran the fastest time ever, which is 10.63. And Shakiri, she tweeted something of the sort, because she is in the race. So Shelly-Ann has to step up her game, and a lot of people, well, a lot of Jamaicans, I should say, took it the wrong way. And we all know that when you have competition, especially a younger competitor who is very fast, you tends to work harder. Not gonna dwell on that, cause everybody don't know, say, I saw it go. But what I said, she should have tweeted that in that moment. You understand? Yeah. So as a result of that, she don't have a lot of fans on the internet. But in Jamaica, she have a lot of fans because they said her father is Jamaican, and he's from his new town, Clarendon Phase 2. I mean, I don't know if it's true, but it is very loud out here, especially in this area. So I am just hoping that, the race happens, everything alright. You understand? Yeah, man, to see how it will turn out. You don't know, say I'm going with either Sharika, Shelly-Ann, or Elaine. Shakari is very fast. She's very fast. She's a good runner. Trust me. And personally speaking, I don't think it will be a 1, 2, 3 with Shakari in the race. I don't think so. I'm not a fortune teller, but I don't think so. Not with her in the race. But let's hope and see. I can be wrong as well. Yeah, man. But I'm hoping for, either Shelly-Ann, Sharika, or Elaine to win the race, to be honest with you. Yeah. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching.